Hello, in this video we will be discussing the 5 layers of the atmosphere. The 5 layers of the atmosphere going from lowest to highest are the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere, the thermosphere, and the exosphere. The troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. The troposphere goes from the ground to 6 kilometers at the poles or 20 kilometers at the equator. In the troposphere, the air temperature decreases with height, going from 17 degrees Celsius to negative 51 degrees Celsius. Most commercial passenger jets have a cruise altitude at the top of the troposphere. The next layer of the atmosphere is the stratosphere. The stratosphere extends from 6 kilometers at the poles, or 20 kilometers at the equator, to 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Because of the Chapman cycle, which is the formation of ozone, air temperature increases with height in the stratosphere. This prevents convection from occurring in the stratosphere. Alan Eustace achieved the world record for the highest manned balloon flight when he reached 41.4 kilometers in 2014. The mesosphere extends from 50 kilometers to 85 kilometers. In the mesosphere, air temperature decreases with height. This layer of the atmosphere is the least well studied because most aircraft can't reach it, and satellites orbit the Earth above the mesosphere. As a result, this layer has only been studied through short missions using sounding rockets. The next layer is the thermosphere, which extends from 85 kilometers to 600 kilometers. This makes the thermosphere thicker than the 3 previous layers combined. In this layer, air temperature increases with height from around negative 120 degrees Celsius to 2000 degrees Celsius. The International Space Station and many satellites orbit the Earth in the thermosphere. The final layer of the atmosphere is the exosphere. The exosphere begins at 600 kilometers. Sources differ on where the exosphere ends, but most say between 10,000 and 100,000 kilometers. Temperature increases with height in the exosphere, and the air is so thin in this layer that gas molecules very rarely collide with each other. Some satellites orbit the Earth in this layer. I hope that you have learned some useful information from this video. The specific sources I used for this video are linked in the description below. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.